Building wealth is a goal many people strive for, but the reality is that most fail to achieve true financial independence. It's not just about how much you earn, it's about how you manage, grow, and protect your money. People often believe external circumstances hold them back, but the truth is, most failures in wealth building stem from internal habits, poor financial decisions, and lack of financial education. Fear, procrastination, and bad money habits trap people in a cycle of debt and missed opportunities. Without the right mindset and strategies, even a high income can vanish quickly. The wealthy think and act differently, making calculated decisions that grow their financial security over time. This is not about luck, it's about understanding how money works and making intentional moves that lead to long-term wealth. If you've been struggling financially or feel stuck in the same place year after year, it's time to identify the hidden obstacles keeping you from success. In this deep dive, we'll explore why most people fail at wealth building and, more importantly, how you can avoid these common pitfalls. Get ready to uncover the hidden truth about money and success. And before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe for more financial wisdom that will transform your future. 1. Lack of financial education. The root of money struggles. Most people are never taught how money truly works. Schools focus on academic knowledge but rarely prepare students for real-world financial challenges. Without understanding budgeting, investing, and wealth-building strategies, people fall into financial traps. They work hard for money but don't know how to make money work for them. Many rely on outdated advice or myths passed down through generations, leading to poor financial decisions. Without financial education, people struggle to escape paycheck-to-paycheck living, failing to build savings or investments. The wealthy dedicate time to learning about money, studying successful strategies, and applying them consistently. Financial literacy isn't just for investors or business owners, it's essential for everyone. If you don't educate yourself about money, you'll always be controlled by it instead of controlling it. Investing in your financial education today can change your entire future. 2. The fear of taking risks. How playing it safe keeps you broke. Fear is one of the biggest reasons people fail at wealth building. They fear losing money, making bad investments, or stepping outside their comfort zone. This leads to missed opportunities and financial stagnation. Many choose safe options like keeping money in low-interest savings accounts instead of investing in assets that generate long-term wealth. Avoiding risks often means avoiding rewards, and without strategic risk-taking, financial growth is impossible. The wealthy understand that smart, calculated risks are necessary for success. They study investments, learn from failures, and make informed decisions. Fear can be paralyzing, but it's also a sign of growth. If you want to build wealth, you must learn to manage risk wisely rather than avoid it completely. The key is preparation, research, and taking action despite uncertainty. 3. Living beyond your means. The lifestyle trap that destroys wealth. One of the biggest financial pitfalls is spending more than you earn. Social media and societal pressure push people to buy expensive cars, designer clothes, and luxury vacations, even when they can't afford them. This lifestyle inflation traps people in a cycle of debt and financial stress. Instead of investing in assets, they finance liabilities that lose value over time. The wealthy prioritize financial security over impressing others. They understand the importance of living below their means, saving aggressively, and investing early. Instead of chasing status symbols, they build real wealth that provides long-term financial freedom. True success isn't about how much you spend, it's about how much you keep and grow. If you constantly upgrade your lifestyle every time you earn more, you'll never achieve financial independence. 4. Depending on one income source. The danger of financial instability. Most people rely on a single paycheck to survive, but this is a risky financial strategy. If that income source disappears, financial stability collapses overnight. Wealthy individuals don't depend on just one job or business, they create multiple streams of income. They invest in stocks, real estate, side businesses, and passive income sources that generate money even when they sleep. Depending on only one paycheck makes you vulnerable to economic downturns, job losses, and unexpected financial emergencies. Financial success comes from diversifying income sources, reducing reliance on a single employer, and building wealth through multiple channels. The earlier you start exploring new ways to earn money, the faster you can secure your financial future. 5. Procrastination, the silent wealth killer. Many people delay wealth-building efforts, thinking they have plenty of time. They put off saving, investing, and learning about finance, only to regret it later. The truth is, the earlier you start, the more powerful your financial growth will be. Compound interest rewards those who invest early, while those who wait miss out on exponential growth. Procrastination leads to financial regret, lost opportunities, and long-term struggles. The wealthy take action immediately, understanding that time is the most valuable financial asset. Even small steps today can lead to massive rewards in the future. If you've been delaying financial planning, stop waiting. The best time to start was yesterday, the second best time is now. 6. Lack of a clear financial plan. Drifting without direction. Many people struggle financially because they don't have a clear financial plan. They earn money, spend it, and hope for the best without setting specific financial goals. Without a roadmap, it's easy to get lost and make poor financial decisions that delay or destroy wealth-building efforts. The wealthy approach money strategically. They create financial plans that include savings goals, investment strategies, debt repayment plans, and income diversification. A clear financial plan keeps you focused, helping you make intentional decisions that align with long-term success. It's not enough to say, "I want to be rich." You need a step-by-step plan that details how much you need to save, where to invest, and how to maximize your income potential. Without financial clarity, you will continue to struggle, reacting to financial problems instead of proactively building wealth. If you don't have a financial plan, now is the time to create one. Your future wealth depends on the decisions you make today. 7. Poor debt management. Letting interest control your finances. Debt is one of the biggest obstacles to wealth building, yet many people fail to manage it properly. Credit card debt, car loans, personal loans, and student debt can quickly spiral out of control, eating away at your income and preventing you from saving or investing. Instead of using debt strategically, many fall into the trap of borrowing to finance unnecessary expenses, making minimum payments while interest piles up. The wealthy use debt as a tool. They borrow to invest in assets that generate returns, such as real estate or businesses, rather than liabilities that lose value. If you're drowning in debt, you must take control immediately. Focus on paying off high-interest debts first while avoiding new unnecessary loans. The longer you remain trapped in debt, the harder it becomes to build real wealth. Don't let interest payments steal your financial future. Eliminate debt and redirect that money toward wealth-building investments. 8. Neglecting emergency funds. Failing to prepare for the unexpected. One financial crisis can wipe out years of hard work if you're not prepared. Medical emergencies, car repairs, job losses, or sudden home expenses can force people into debt if they don't have savings to cover unexpected costs. Many assume they'll always have a steady income, but life is unpredictable. Without an emergency fund, people rely on credit cards or loans, digging themselves deeper into financial trouble. The wealthy protect their financial security by maintaining emergency savings that cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net prevents them from making desperate financial decisions in tough times. If you don't have an emergency fund, start building one today. Even small contributions add up over time. Financial stability isn't just about making money, it's about protecting what you've built. A strong financial foundation includes preparing for the unexpected. 9. Underestimating the power of investing. Letting money sit idle. Many people fear investing because they don't understand it, leading them to keep their money in savings accounts with low returns. This mistake costs them thousands over the years due to inflation eroding the value of their cash. While saving is important, it's not enough to build wealth. Investing allows your money to work for you, multiplying over time. The wealthy prioritize investing in stocks, real estate, index funds, and businesses that generate passive income. Even small, consistent investments can grow into substantial wealth through compound interest. The earlier you start, the more powerful the effects. If you've been avoiding investing out of fear or lack of knowledge, now is the time to learn. You don't need to be a stock market expert. Simple, long-term investing strategies can set you up for financial success. The biggest mistake isn't losing money in the market, it's never starting at all. 10. Failing to adapt. Sticking to old money habits that no longer work. The financial world is constantly evolving, and those who fail to adapt get left behind. What worked 20 years ago may not work today, yet many people cling to outdated financial habits that prevent them from building real wealth. Sticking to traditional savings methods, avoiding technology-driven investments, or ignoring modern income opportunities limits financial growth. The wealthy stay ahead by continuously learning and adapting to changes in the economy, technology, and investment strategies. They embrace new financial tools, digital investments, and alternative income streams like freelancing, cryptocurrency, and online businesses. If you're still relying on outdated financial advice without adapting to modern opportunities, you're limiting your potential. Wealth isn't just built through hard work, it's built through smart, adaptable strategies. The key to long-term financial success is staying informed, flexible, and ready to take advantage of new opportunities. 11. Lack of financial discipline. Letting emotions control money decisions. Many people fail at wealth building because they lack financial discipline, making impulsive decisions based on emotions rather than logic. The temptation to spend on unnecessary items, chase get-rich-quick schemes, or panic sell investments can sabotage long-term financial growth. Without discipline, people fall into cycles of overspending, living paycheck to paycheck, and failing to save or invest consistently. The wealthy take an emotion-free approach to money, following structured financial plans regardless of short-term temptations or market fluctuations. They develop habits of delayed gratification, sticking to budgets, and prioritizing long-term wealth over immediate desires. Financial success isn't about making perfect decisions every time, it's about consistently making smart choices over decades. The sooner you develop financial discipline, the faster you'll achieve financial independence. 12. Depending on a single income source. Failing to diversify earnings. Relying on a single paycheck is one of the riskiest financial mistakes people make. Job security is never guaranteed, and unexpected layoffs or economic downturns can leave those without multiple income sources struggling to survive. The wealthy don't depend on just one stream of income. They build multiple sources, such as side businesses, real estate, stock dividends, or digital assets. A diversified income ensures financial stability even during tough economic times. The key is to start small. Whether it's freelancing, investing in rental properties, or starting an online store, creating additional income streams reduces financial vulnerability. If you're relying solely on your salary, now is the time to explore new ways to earn money. Financial security comes from having options, not limitations. 13. Not understanding taxes. Losing money without realizing it. Taxes are one of the largest expenses people face, yet many fail to educate themselves on how to legally minimize them. A lack of tax knowledge leads to unnecessary overpayments, penalties, and lost investment opportunities. The wealthy strategically plan their taxes, using deductions, tax-efficient investment accounts, and business structures to reduce their tax burden. They work with financial experts, stay updated on tax laws, and take advantage of government incentives that promote wealth building. The less you pay in taxes, the more money you have to save and invest. If you've never analyzed your taxes beyond basic filing, you're likely losing thousands of dollars over time. Learning how taxes impact your income and investments is essential for maximizing wealth. Smart tax strategies separate the financially successful from those who struggle. 14. Fear of taking calculated risks. Staying in the comfort zone. Building wealth requires stepping outside of your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. Many people remain stuck in financial mediocrity because they fear failure, avoiding investments, business opportunities, or career moves that could lead to higher income. The wealthy understand that risk is an essential part of financial growth. They take smart, researched risks that have high potential rewards. While reckless decisions can be dangerous, failing to take any risks at all ensures financial stagnation. Fear of losing money keeps people from investing, starting businesses, or negotiating higher salaries. The key is to take informed risks, learning from failures rather than avoiding opportunities altogether. If you want financial success, you must embrace risk as a necessary step toward wealth. 15. Not surrounding yourself with financially successful people. Your financial mindset is influenced by the people around you. Many struggle with money because they take advice from friends or family members who are also financially struggling. The wealthy understand the power of networking and surrounding themselves with mentors, successful entrepreneurs, and financial experts who inspire them to grow. Being around financially successful people exposes you to smarter strategies, better opportunities, and a mindset of abundance rather than scarcity. If you want to change your financial future, evaluate your social circle. Are you surrounded by people who encourage financial growth, or are you influenced by those who reinforce bad money habits? The people you learn from play a major role in your financial success. 16. Failing to set wealth-building goals. No clear destination. Wealth doesn't happen by accident. It requires a clear vision and well-defined goals. Many people fail financially because they never set specific, actionable wealth-building targets. They may dream of being rich but lack a plan detailing how much they need to save, invest, or earn to achieve their financial goals. The wealthy set precise targets for their income, savings, investments, and net worth, breaking them down into actionable steps. They track progress and adjust their plans based on real results. Without goals, it's easy to drift aimlessly, wasting time and money without making progress. If you don't have clear financial targets, now is the time to create them. A written plan turns dreams into reality. 17. Allowing lifestyle inflation to erode wealth-building progress as income increases. Many people fall into the trap of spending more instead of saving more. This lifestyle inflation keeps them stuck in a financial cycle where they never accumulate real wealth, even with a high income. Expensive cars, luxury vacations, and designer items may bring temporary satisfaction, but they don't contribute to long-term financial stability. The wealthy resist lifestyle inflation, choosing to increase savings and investments as their earnings grow. They maintain a modest lifestyle compared to their income, ensuring their wealth compounds over time. If you find yourself spending more every time you earn more, it's time to shift your mindset. Wealth isn't about how much you make, it's about how much you keep and grow. 18. Not leveraging passive income. Trading time for money forever. Many people fail to build lasting wealth because they only rely on active income, money earned by working. The wealthy prioritize passive income, earning money from investments, rental properties, digital products, or businesses that generate income without daily effort. Passive income allows financial freedom, reducing reliance on a job while continuously growing wealth. The key is to build assets that generate income even when you're not working. Whether it's investing in stocks, writing a book, or creating an online business, developing passive income is essential for long-term financial success. If you're only earning through direct labor, now is the time to explore passive income opportunities. True wealth comes from making money while you sleep. We've covered the biggest reasons most people fail at wealth building and how to avoid them. Now, it's up to you to apply these lessons and make a difference in your financial future. Stay committed, keep learning, and don't let temporary setbacks discourage you. Wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint, and those who stay in the game are the ones who win. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more powerful strategies on building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Keep pushing forward, stay focused, and remember, your financial future starts with the choices you make today. Like and subscribe.